Welcome. Today, discover how to create a public space on X, formerly known as Twitter, right from your PC using the latest update. If you're ready to host live audio conversations and connect with your audience in real time, let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and go to the X website. Log into your account if you haven't already. Once you're in, look at the left-hand menu and find the More icon. Click on it and you'll see an option labeled Create Your Space with a microphone icon. Go ahead and select that option. Now, you'll be prompted to set up your space. One of the first settings you'll see is Who Can Speak. Here, you have a few choices, but to make your space public and open for everyone, select Everyone. This ensures that anyone joining your space can request to speak, making your conversation as interactive and inclusive as possible. Next, it's time to give your space a purpose. Type in a clear and engaging title that tells people what you want to talk about. This is your chance to grab attention and let listeners know what to expect. If you want to reach an even broader audience, you can add up to 3 relevant topics. These help X recommend your space to users who are interested in similar subjects, boosting your reach and engagement. Once you've filled in the details and chosen your topics, you're almost ready to go live. Take a moment to review your settings. If you want, you can also toggle the recording option to save your conversation for later listening. When you're ready, simply click the Start Now button. Your space will go live instantly, and your followers will see that you're hosting a conversation. They can join in to listen, participate, and even request to speak if you've set permissions to everyone. That's it. You've just created a public space on X using your PC. Enjoy connecting with your audience, sharing ideas, and building your community through real-time audio conversations.